Hello, stay-at-home mom and viewers in the house. This is ebonyifirstgirl. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I'm here to unbox my new K9 wireless microphone. I just bought purposely for the vlog and interview because I'm a remote worker. So I'm going to unbox this K9. So excited to get it. So it's a 2 microphone wireless K9 earpiece with a port for it. Some has type C, whereby you just make use of it for your Android to make your vlog more audible and to do your interview. If you are a remote worker, it's going to help you for that. So today I'm going to teach you how you're going to make use of it, because I noticed that some people doesn't know how to make use of the K9 and K8 wireless microphone. This method I'm going to teach you. If you have been trying to make your wireless microphone work and it's not working, kindly watch this video and subscribe while I teach you. So first thing is for me to show you the microphone. You can see this is the microphone. It's a double mic. I got the one with a double mic, so that the reason why I got the one with a double mic is because if I have someone to interview, I'm going to give the second person this one to pin on his or her body while I make use of the other one. Understand? So this is the ports I'm going to connect to the phone so that to work with the microphone. Then it has a manual on it for direction for use. Then it comes with a USB that you're going to be using to charge it. See, a USB for charging. So like I was saying, if you want to make use of it, the first step is for you to charge these microphones. If you're making use of the single microphone, the double one, type K8, K9, just ensure you charge these 2 microphones to 100% before making use of it. You understand? Then the first step for you is to plug in your ports to your phone for iPhone user, because this one is for iPhone. Even if it is for Android, you are going to plug in the ports directly to where the port is. You plug it in, turn it on. It first of all show red and green light. Then once it is stable, if it is not blinking and it's stable, it shows that it is connected already. You can notice from my video that it's no longer the same with the way I was talking before, because it's already connected. So if you try this method and it still did not work, try to go to Google Play Store and download Open Camera. That Open Camera is for Android users. So when you download it, go to settings on that Open Camera and enable external microphone. Once you just enable it, it's going to work perfectly with the wireless K9 or K8 microphone. Just give it a try. But if you are an iPhone user, don't forget to just make use of it the way I just explained. Let me tell you again. You're going to ensure you plug the port first before you turn on this microphone, because when you turn on the microphone first before putting it on, it will not work. So the best way for you to ensure that it works is by plugging the ports directly first. Then you turn on the microphone. Once you turn it on, you will notice that there will be a stable green light. Some K9 or K8 has red stable light. So once you just use it. Once it's stable, it shows that it is working. But if it is blinking, just know that it's not connected, it's not working, and just follow my method, it will work perfectly for you. So thank you, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.